Due to the increasing evidence of insect-based products having an array of superior properties, the Danish Technological Institute is working towards enhancing and enriching these properties. To learn more about this initiative, go to dti.dk/superiorfeed. One of the approaches of optimizing insects' feed to achieve a superior product is to optimize the insect's feed. This video will go through the Iterative Feed Optimization Platform developed at DTI. In this example, we have 3 insect producers here on the right, and these insect producers will relay information back to the database at the Danish Technological Institute.
The producers will input a list of the available resources and fill as much information as possible about the nutritional properties of the individual resources. The platform is highly digital and automated to a certain extent. However, meetings and discussions between DTI and producers will be an integral part of the process. This is to ensure a full understanding of the need of the producer and ensure the following process can run smoothly and without misperceptions.
Based on the available ingredients and the needs of the producers, one or several recipes will be generated and delivered to the producer. The recipes are generated by DTI personnel and not fully automatically. The recipes are generated using the collective knowledge and experience of previous research and development activities at the Danish Technological Institute, as well as data from the platform itself. This data from the platform itself is provided by the producers using the platform. Following a finished batch of production using one of the recipes provided by the platform, the information of the insect's performance on that particular diet is relayed back to the platform. The producers will input the performance of the insects reared on a generated recipe, and this data will be relayed back to the database and be incorporated in future analyses. Following the input of performance data, an automatically generated report of the key performance indicators is made available to the producer for an easy overview and comparison to previous recipes. The data that is relayed back from the producers to the platform will iteratively increase the detail and the knowledge about the specific nutritional requirements of the insect that is produced. Doing analyses on the nutritional composition as well as the performance of the insects on that diet holds the potential to iteratively unlock increasing detail about the specific nutritional requirements of the insects. For every new recipe and the insect's performance on that recipe that is relayed back to the platform, the analyses become stronger and stronger. Thus, the more users the platform has, the faster the knowledge will increase, and the faster the true nutritional requirements of the insects will be visible. This means that iteratively the recipes generated by the platform will become stronger and stronger. This means that eventually very specific nutritional requirements, for example amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins and minerals, can be unlocked and understood using this approach. This in turn allows the platform to generate the best possible recipes for the producers based on their available resources and a few simple or cheap additives. There is a few noteworthy points connected to the use of the platform. First and foremost, data is valuable. The producer's substrate is the producer's knowledge. This means that if a certain producer has a certain very well-performing substrate, that substrate will not be part of other producers' generated recipes. Producers will need to contribute with data in order to benefit from it. This means that if a producer wants access to the detailed background knowledge that the platform generates, that producer will need to relay performance information of their insects based on the diets that is generated by the platform. No one can see raw data. All data visible to the producers are based on their own input. This means that the performance data of a certain producer is only visible to that certain producer, and the same goes for the ingredients. A final and very important point is that almost anything can be optimized using the platform. The producers can set a parameter that they want to optimize for, and the recipes will be generated pushing the insect's performance or that parameter in a certain direction. This could be, for example, the larval size, the feed conversion ratio, the composition of the final product, or the heat output during rearing. If you'd like to know more about the Iterative Feed Optimization Platform, please do not hesitate to contact us or visit dti.dk/superiorfeed.